Hello everybody, I hope you're well today. Making this video to let all of you know that I'm okay. If you've been watching news about the weather, my town was hit by a tornado last night. Took a swath through the edge of town. There were casualties. So far they're saying 10. They're still looking for people. Several injuries. Quite a few homes destroyed. I'm okay. My family's okay. And all of the friends that I know in the area have checked in already are okay. We've been getting hit with some pretty rough weather this last week. Beautiful sunny day out there right now, which is good for the people going through the rubble. I haven't been able to survey the damage yet. They've got the area blocked off pretty good, and I'm not going to get in the way as a sightseer. They have it under control. Sirens and everything went off last night. I slept through the whole thing. Slept like a baby through the whole thing. Then I used to live next to a railroad track. I could sleep through that too. So I don't sleep that much, so when I do sleep, it's sleep. Pray for those who are injured and lost their homes. Thank you all. Hang in there, and we'll get through this, one day at a time. Peace, love, and understanding be with you all.